With 2020 and this COVID-19 situation, it's a known fact that everybody is losing their mind. Well, if you're privileged to work from home like me, then you want to make sure that you have a very cohesive workspace. In the description box, I will list a few things that I use to make my situation a little bit pleasant, and I'll take you on a tour of my workspace.
Listen, we're not going to sit here and pretend as though I'm trying to be calm and cute for 8 hours. I have to wrap up in a blanket, drink coffee or water, do something to get through the workday. I'll clean up afterwards, but I have to be as comfortable as I can while I'm working. Now we'll just fast forward through all the craziness that I had to go through to get this thing set up and ready for viewing. It was a job, and I wanted to make sure I did it right, so I went ahead and put everything away like I was supposed to. Now that's more like it. Clean, organized, and ready for the next work week. It'll be the same way it was today, next week. So let's start with what's to the left of the desk, and that's the HP LaserJet P1102W, a simple monochrome printer with a speed of 19 pages per minute, mobile printing capability, and the best part is that it's wireless. Initially, you set it up USB, then after that, you're free to print and place this bad boy virtually anywhere. This item is going to seem a little silly, but you need a notebook, something to jot down all those thoughts and whatnot. I love the little 9.5 by 6 2-subject notebooks by 5 Star. They simply get the job done. Now, a great must-have for multitasking is the LG 34U C80B. I'll put more details on that in the description. Now let's talk about this keyboard for a minute. This is the MX Keys from Logitech, and the wonderful thing that I love about this keyboard is not only its backlit, but these buttons here at the top are simply for toggling between devices, so no more extra keyboards on your desk. The same goes for the mouse. This is the Logitech M720 Triathlon. It too can be used with up to 3 devices. Now the fancy thing about this mouse is that when you program it, you can make gestures to move between your devices. And when you do that, the keyboard follows suit, so you don't have to do any additional changing of settings. It also has the capability of copy and paste between the 2 devices, even between Mac and PC. And I think they dubbed that as Logitech Flow. Now padding my keyboard and mouse is the K-Trio Extended Gaming Mouse Pad. This one is 31.5 by 11.8 inches in black. It has nice stitch edging, premium textured cloth, and a non-slip rubber base. Now they say it's waterproof. We won't test that, okay? Now underneath my keyboard drawer, I keep my Bible and my headset when I have to make calls on my computer, and usually my beard comb. You never know when you need a word from the Lord and you need to clean up your face before those WebEx sessions. Put trash can also nearby just in case you have to throw away frustration throughout your day. And while I have a little time, let's go under the desk here real quick. I want to show you how I organize things with zip ties and whatnot. Now you can virtually get zip ties anywhere. I get the Amazon Basic zip ties, and they work perfectly for organization. As you can see here, I keep things pretty neat and tidy. And there's some other solutions that look a little cleaner, but this works for me. I'm sure you're wondering, what's in this little brown box down here? Everything. This is the Tega Bamboo Cable Management Box, and it's the thing everyone needs to put those pesky power bricks in one place. And don't worry, it won't overheat or mess up any of your equipment. It's very earth and kid friendly. Now for work, I power through with a Dell Precision 7540, and that's currently sitting on an Alsop Redmond adjustable laptop stand. If I decide to put an additional monitor up here on my desk, I plan to move this laptop to the keyboard tray, do a little cable management, and put the Alsop to the side. I wanted a curve from 12 South, but I didn't know if it would handle the weight of the Dell. Now make sure you always keep a few little things on your desk. I keep little trinkets, and I love myself some Kermit the Frog and things that just remind me to just stick it out throughout the day. And did I mention I have the Gunnar Enigmas? What I do have from 12 South is the Book Arc from MacBook Pro, which holds my MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019 edition. Now you know we had to take a minute to get into the seating. This is the Real Space Modern Comfort Verismo bonded leather high back executive chair. I needed something that was going to be able to handle my day-to-day moving around and twitching. Plus this leather, while bonded, feels Lexus quality. I move around a lot in this chair throughout the day, and as you can see, it is doing quite well. And if you're thirsty, keep a bottle of water on your desk. Hydrate, damn it. Now to tie everything together for now, put a few accolades on your wall and a little wall art just to remind you that you're doing well and that we're all going to get through this pandemic together and you're going places. Now below here is my trunk. This thing has been literally all around the world, and every scratch and every stain on this buddy tells a story.
I hope you enjoyed the tour that I took you on of the things in my workspace. Again, like and subscribe this video, and I thank you for watching, and everybody stay safe and work effectively and productively.